Knives getting dull? Not to worry. In this video, we're going to show you how to sharpen your dull knives with a manual knife sharpener. We'll be using a Hotec 4-in-1 sharpener. Most manual knife sharpeners work the same way, using a 2 or 3 stage sharpening process. This particular knife sharpener has 3 stages and a slot for scissors as well. Let's get started. We have a very dull knife, so we'll be going through all 3 stages of the sharpening process. For knives that aren't as dull, you can start with slot 2. And if it's only for weekly maintenance, you can just do a few swipes in slot 3. We'll start with slot 1, which is the coarsest, then we'll work our way to slot 3, which uses a very fine sanding material. Start by placing the back portion of the knife in slot 1. Gently pull the knife towards you in smooth strokes. You do not need to add any pressure, just let the weight of the knife do the work. You want 3 to 5 pulls for a slightly dull knife, and 5 to 10 for knives that are more worn. Now repeat in slot 2. Again, 3 to 5 pulls for a slightly dull knife, and 5 to 10 for knives that are more worn. Lastly, finish off in slot 3. This last slot, you want to give the knife about 5 to 10 pulls. After sharpening, make sure to give the knife a good wash before using on food. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.